Hello, I'm Pei. Today we are going to talk about the two usages of the grammar in Chinese. Once you understand these two usages, I believe you will be able to grasp the most of the expressions. Please subscribe and like so you won't miss my next video. First, let's look at change. When do we use this grammar? It's used to express a change in a situation. For example, you haven't seen a friend for a long time, and when you meet, you notice his face seems rounder, and I ask, 你胖了吗? 你胖了吗? It might be a little offensive, but if we are close, we will usually ask directly. You might respond, 是的。我胖了. I used to be 70 kilograms, but I've gained weight recently. Now I'm 80 kilograms. This shows a new state. Alternatively, if you want to deny it, say 我没有变胖. It's be a little of bloating. Another example.If today I want to know if houses are more expensive now because house price have risen, I will say 房子比以前贵了吗? 房子比以前贵了吗? If you don't think so, you will say 房子没有比以前贵. 房子没有比以前贵. If you think so, you'd answer 房子比以前贵. 房子比以前贵. One last example. In the past, you've loved to eating meat, couldn't live without it, but now you want to become a vegetarian. You will tell others, 我不吃肉了. 我不吃肉了. I don't eat meat anymore.This implies that you used to eat meat, but for whatever reason, whether religious or environmental, you don't eat meat anymore. So, the sensational le indicates a change in situation. Some changes has taken place with a new situation resulting, and it appears at the very end of the sentence, which can be either affirmative or negative. Completion action with verbal le. Next, let's talk about completion. It's not just hard as it sounds. So let's see a practical example. For example, in the morning, I greet you and ask, 你吃早餐了吗? 你吃早餐了吗? You have three possible answers. First, 我吃早餐了. 我吃早餐了. 还没. 我还没吃. 我不吃早餐. This implies you don't have the habit of eating breakfast. 我吃早餐了 means I've been already finished eating breakfast. You don't need to think about past tense or tense. You're simply completed the action of having breakfast. If you say 你吃了早餐, your friend might ask, 你早餐吃了什么? 你早餐吃了什么? What did you have for your breakfast? You might answer, 我吃了一个蛋, 一个猪肉三明治, 还有一杯咖啡. 你吃午餐了吗? 你吃午餐了吗? Have you had lunch? Have you had lunch? If you say, 还没, 我还没吃. 还没, 我还没吃. I would ask, 你午餐要吃什么? 你午餐要吃什么? What do you want to eat for lunch? means what would you like to eat? You might reply, 我要吃一碗卤肉饭，一碗牛肉汤，还有一杯珍珠奶茶。Therefore, we can see the is mostly used in situations related to daily routines or to-do lists, like meals, brushing teeth, washing face, taking shower, walk, doing homework, going to gym, to confirm if everyone has completed the tasks. These types of questioning is used in scenarios that involve a person's life process. For example, a teacher might see a student and ask, 你毕业了吗？你毕业了吗？你写完论文了吗？你写完论文了吗？ Elderly people in Taiwan might lovingly ask younger one, 你结婚了吗？你结婚了吗？ Or 你生小孩了吗？你生小孩了吗？ This doesn't just inquire if the action has been completed. It also carries the implication that the action is something that should be completed. You could reply, oh, 我结婚了 I'm married. Or 还没 I'm not married yet. Or you could say, 我不结婚 I won't get married. I believe you don't need to memorize structures or just remember to add the after verbs. Even if you construct sentence correctly, you might not be sure where to use them or in what the context. You can listen to how others use this sentence in daily life and try to understand the implications. This way, you'll become more proficient in using them. Alright, let's summarize. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and turn on in notifications. Thank you, I'm Pei. Welcome to my channel and see you in next time.